Hello everyone, this is the team number one and this is our concept generation about Christmas lights presentation. As step number one, we clarified the problem using the composition by sequence of user actions and the composition by key customer needs instead of function decomposition. According to our previous assignments, at this moment we don't know the answer to solve our need. So either it could be a product to avoid tangled Christmas lights when they are stored or have a wiper scope for our concept generations. We'll use two decompositions as you can see on the next slides. This is the decomposition by key customer and this is the composition by sequence user actions. As, as step number two, we made an externally search with several and relevant patterns and we use some improve our concepts. As you can see quickly, we put a lot of patterns. For example, we found more about how to storage and how to install some lights. And this one is about an rack and some architecture from some modular lights. And this another example is a Christmas tree with internal lights. And more examples on the patterns. Now, talking about scientific articles, we made an exhaustive research and we found around 162 articles. However, only 3 are relevant to our project. The next slides are about our benchmark, and we found that the bugs were more common on these spirals, as you can see on these photos. On this one is about an installation tool, another one about the tangle-free cables examples. As a step 3, we perform an internally search using the biomimicry. You can see some concepts that we generated with this method. Coming up, more concepts using by associations. Those are about provocation operation by Bono. There are some analogies. Now, about trees, we use a matrix on this page. It is on the trees40.com and to get some concepts, as you can see below. There are some Shindogu concepts. As step 4, we explore systematically is when you combine two objects or more to create new ideas. Finally, on the step 5, to start to generate a concept, first we identify opportunity areas. We collect data from customers. We process several times the information. We classify it hierarchically the necessity. Then we start to generate the product specifications for being compared with the current market specifications. With the previous data, we can generate new concepts with different specifications. However, focus on the principal necessities that we have selected. Anyway, with this method, we achieve more than 90 ideas. We use a creative methods of biomimic, by association, trees analogy, Edwards bonus provocation, and Shindogu to get more possible concepts. In conclusions, at the moment to generate concepts, we got a really creative ideas to usually it would not have occurred to us before. It's too impressive the facility to get some inspiration when you base on the natural behavior, how is the biomimic. Perhaps when we combine two or more objects like a Shindogu, could appear more interesting and crazy ideas. At the moment, that's all about our presentation for today. We are the team number 1 and thanks so much for your attention. Have a nice day.